Hey guys, so I'm going to do, I don't know what you would call it, like a floating head, a detached head, like my head is being torn right off. That's what this tutorial is. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. Anyway, I just wanted to explain to you what I was doing. When I start the video, I have already done a full face of makeup, and we're just gonna go straight into the neck detail. I hope you guys all enjoy. If you do, share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Please and thank you. Hope everybody has a fabulous day. All right, so right now I'm just using some liquid liner, and I'm basically gonna map out where I'm gonna paint in my detached head, or some people call it a floating head. I would say that I will probably never use liquid liner for this again, just maybe a regular liner. I mean, but you can use whatever you like. Just for me, it was really hard getting that off of my skin. Like, I felt like I scrubbed my skin off. It was terrible. And then this also, some people might find this confusing. I think it makes my life a little easier to map it out this way, but whichever way works for you. And I'm going into using just black paint. I'm going to use the black paint to fill in maybe the upper half of my neck right there, which will meet up with the red face paint. It's just Halloween like face paint. Nothing fancy. I just found some stuff that I had laying around the house and decided to put it to use. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm just singing. Now we're putting on the red. Now, I was not a fan of this makeup, but I made it work. I winged it out. Now I'm just taking like a little bit of black and red and mixing it together because I didn't want it to be completely black. Just to start giving the hole in my neck some depth. Like, you want to have some depth in the neck for, like, I don't know, three-dimensional, I guess that's the word I'm looking for. You know what I'm saying. And I'll also be doing the same around the edges just to make it pop a little more. And also bring it back as far as possible. Like, on your neck, obviously you're not going to be able to paint your entire neck. But if you can bring it back as far as possible, so when you take photos, or you can wear a hoodie so it blends in. A black hoodie would, have you look like your neck is floating. Fun for a quick Halloween look, because it really doesn't take too much longer. Also, I'm just putting black paint on the top of my shoulder, more so photo prop, just so I don't see any of my skin on the top of my shoulder. I think that was my song, y'all. I want to say it was Rihanna. Get it, girl. Then I'm just taking some old fake blood that I have from last season, and I'm just like dripping it on because it's just gonna, like, making dots and it's just gonna drip down. And I put some within the floating neck. I don't know, texture or something I was looking for. I thought that would be fantastic. Keyword, I thought. You will see that I shortly changed my mind about it though. Now I'm just taking like eyeshadow, kind of like setting your makeup, excuse me. It's kind of like setting your makeup. It gives me a more matte look because it was too shiny when I went to take pictures, and if the flash hit it the wrong way, then it wasn't the look I was looking for. So it gave me more of a matte look doing it this way. So I used a black shadow, and then I went and did a red shadow. And then I fluffed a little, like just ruined that. I was a little sad. But that is pretty much the end of this tutorial. I also threw on a wig just because I thought it looked great. Actually, my best friend thought it would look great. That's why I put it on. That was the reason. And here are some photos. I hope you all liked, shared, and enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you so much. And I hope to see you guys really